Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I transformed from this to this using BetterLength hair clip. The hair comes with instructions on how to maintain. They're very much detailed into what they do. So this is the instructions on how to maintain the hair. So let's open up. I'm gonna use one pack and see how full my hair is. Clip info: this hair is vegan human hair. Its length 16 inches and the texture here is 3C to 4A Afro King natural hair. It's similar to my curls that I would do with my hair, and this is how full it is. One clip should be enough. Look at how long it goes. You just need one bundle, that's all you need. I'm gonna put the link below, so maybe you guys can purchase some. It's really hair, I recommend it. I do recommend this hair. I'm gonna use Cantu gel. My hair is wet. I'm just coming out from the shower, so it's still wet. It's not as dry as it looks, but it's wet. So I hope I'm not gonna be using a lot of products. We will see. I will be brushing the hair just to define the curls more, and then I'll put this hair in a twist. And leave it that way. Again, we'll part the other side. Sideways, this is how the back of my hair looks like. There's a smaller piece at the back. I'll add another one. Guys, look how full this hair is. You don't need more than one clip. One clip is enough. As you can see how full it is. I even have like leftovers for the hair. Look, I even have more clips to fill in, but I just feel like it's too full for my head. But you can add extra more if you want. So let's see how it looks at the back. Mousse from Cantu shea butter, just to blend in the hair with my own. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment and share my content, and also check out BetterLength on their website or Instagram. The link will be below. thank you for watching again. Bye bye.